Nurtana. I am a STEM instructor of ScienceUtsav. So guys, do you like rain? I love rain. What about lightning? Do you know how the lightnings are created? Or what exactly is lightning? Today we are going to talk about lightnings. Coming to the questions, that is, what exactly is lightning? Lightning is nothing but an electric current. But how is it formed? How does an electric current just pass in the clouds or in the sky? So here we are going to deal with the answer. The little air molecules or the water molecules, when it passes across in the sky, they tend to collide with each other. And this collision is going to bring them more charge, and the charge could be positive or negative. So there starts an accumulation of this positive and negative charges. So the positive charges tends to get accumulated above the clouds, and the negative charges tends to get accumulated below the clouds. And since we all know that the positive attracts a negative, this negative charge accumulation is going to help the earth or the earth's surface create another positive charge. So the surface could be like mountains, grasslands or usual lands. Any surface on the earth is fine. So these surfaces of the earth starts to accumulate this positive charge, and then boom, the current starts passing from the negative charge of the cloud to the positive charge of the ground. And that's how lightnings are formed. Have you ever felt a shock or a spark when you touch something? This happens because of the same phenomenon. The charges get accumulated on the surface of the thing and also in the points of your fingers or your body. And since the negatives tend to attract the positive charges, there gets a tiny shock. And that's what makes you feel so. So guys, what do you think about thunder? How is it formed? So actually, the thunder is formed because of lightning. When a lightning bolt hits the surface of the earth's crust, it tends to create a channel. That's the pathway in which it moves. And when this pathway is created, the air molecules there are all separated towards the sides. So after the lightning, what happens is these air molecules tend to come back to the place, and this releases a sound wave, and that's what the thunder is. So guys, do you think lightning has some kind of temperature or so? Is it hot or cold? If it's hot, how hot is it? Do try to find out the answers for that. Thank you.